Welcome to online class, Standard 7, Civics Chapter 4. The lesson name is Media and Democracy. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the media and democracy. For our easy understanding, let's imagine that we are going to watch a television. So if we consider this lesson as watching a television, it will be very easy for you people to understand. So let's switch on the television. In the television, we are going to see about the media as information provider, forming public opinion, media and democracy. These are the topics we are going to learn in this lesson. Let's start the lesson. Media is derived from the Latin word medium. Medium, which means it is a route for a point to another point. It has various channels or means. Channels means a part, two part, three part together is called as a medium, through which the information is passed from one point to another point. So this is called as medium, and it is a mass communication. Mass communication means mass refers to a huge. Communication means transferring the thoughts, ideas, exchanging the thoughts and ideas is called as communication. So passing information from one person to another person in a grand medium is called as mass communication, such as newspaper, television. Media as a provider of information. Media means it gives information to people, to the users. So it is necessary for giving information to the citizens. All the citizens must know what is happening in the world. There should be unbiased and a correct news information should be passed to the people, and both the side stories must be shown to the people. And after the showing the things to the people have to decide. The public has to decide which is good and which is bad, and what to do and what not to do. But in reality, they are showing only the positive side. So I have mentioned some mass media, newspaper and press meet of the official members of our state government. Media forming public opinion. Yes, media has full rights, and public also has rights to tell their opinion in media and to provide information about what happening in the public areas. So you can see the picture. In the picture, a man is asking question. A reporter is asking question to the public regarding COVID situation, and he also gives some information to the reporter for the television. Public opinion is important. Because of giving opinion, other persons also can take that good opinion, and even government also can take that as discussion and make it as debate, and they can clear some problems. Okay, even they can discuss about the local, international and national issues also. Because of discussing and debating, there will be a solution for the government also. So public can share their opinions through newspaper, television and radio. I have mentioned the picture. Reading newspaper is one of the good habit. So you people also try to read newspapers, and in the form of letters also we can give our opinion to the televisions and other mediums. Media in democracy. Democracy means for the people and by the people of the people. People can choose their representative is meant by democracy. So democracy also gives a good role in media. It promotes the citizenship of the public and also gives the unbiased. There shouldn't be no partial difference between the parties. Party A and party B is there means that both the parties are equal in front of public. The public has to decide which is good and which is bad. Media act as the agent between the government and the public. If something happen in the public, the government see through the television, and if something happen in the government areas, the people see through the television. So it creates a mass impact, and moreover people can identify who is doing good and who is doing bad, which officer is good and which officer is bad, and which party is good, which party is bad. They can easily identify. This can help for the election time. For your easy understanding, I have mentioned the article. Emergency Act was passed in the year of 1975 by our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Have a look at the picture. Why government seeks public opinion? Why government needs public opinion? mainly for the election purpose and to gain support from the public, to create the vote bank and to strengthen their government. Their period of time must be strengthened. For that, they seek the public opinion. I have mentioned some pictures of the debates, the channel debates. You can see in the left side picture, and in right side picture, our Prime Minister is giving press conference in the New Delhi. I have mentioned an article as reference from the newspaper Business Standard in the year of 2017 on 23rd September for artificial intelligence. And next I have included a Hindu newspaper article in the year of 2018 on March 29th. This is on hydrocarbon projects. Have a glance at it. So you can also make it like a task, and you can also go and search an article regarding your education in today's newspaper. So we are in the end of the part 1 session. So in this lesson we watched about media as information provider and media to gain public opinion and role of media in democracy. These are the things we learned. Let's check with some of the questions. What is media? What is meant by mass communication? List the role of media in democracy. What is importance of media? Students, self-analyze yourself. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.